Okay, so now we're gonna be cooking some French fries, fast food style. Okay, now, so I'm showing you how I cut my potatoes. I kind of like mine bigger, like potato wedges, but it's up to you. You can cut it smaller. Or if you have that potatoes, French fries cutter, that would be perfect. And we're gonna be washing our potatoes with water, of course, like that. Put it aside. And now we're going to be adding our corn syrup to add that a little sweet taste to it. And sorry about the lighting. So just stir it like so. Here I'm going to be adding a little bit of flour to make it crunchy. Now it should look like this, and we're just gonna cover it and pop it in the freezer. Now it's time to cook our fries. We're going to let this cook for about 8 to 10 minutes till the sides are golden brown. Put it aside and it's ready to serve.